Kind of got this oversized sweater to offset, you know, the sexiness. But yeah.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, March the 13th, and I'm starting a new vlog because my last one was getting too long. I wanted to start it back up yesterday, but my sister is down here for her birthday. Her birthday was yesterday, but we ended up not going over last night, so I didn't even start the vlog. So we'll see what we have in store for today. Right now, I'm finna just treat her to a brunch, so that's where we finna get ready to head to. Just go take I'm gonna go pick up her daughter. Cause her daughter wanted to do something for her birthday, and she couldn't really think of nothing. She only 13, so she ain't got that many options. She don't have no car, nothing. So I was like, well, let's take her to brunch. So that's what we finna go do. I'm gonna take my daughter, my oldest daughter, and my middle girl with me to brunch. The little one going to a birthday party. So, anyways, I'm trying to hurry up and get ready because I told everybody I'm gonna be ready by 12, and I know how I am. Cause you know, brunch don't usually last past like 3 o'clock or something like that. So I don't know if it'll be a wait. Right now I'm saying there's no wait. So online, I'm not sure how accurate that is. I ain't never been to this place, so we finna see how it is. So I was just picking up the vlog to start it. I've been up early though, watching Love is Blind. I need to put some more details in my last video in the description. I was doing some of that. I need to do some more. And then we went to Walmart. So I'm just getting ready real quick. Now I don't wear makeup, so I'm just gonna put on a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm gonna find me some good light mascara one day. A good neutral lip gloss. Not, you know, just very natural for my dark lips. So okay, y'all, so we finna get ahead at the door. I just want to show y'all what I'm wearing today. Yeah, my room is a mess, so excuse it. I'm finna show you the mirror. Let me show you. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm wearing today. It's just this grandpa's oversized sweater. I think I got this sweater from Forever 21, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm wearing this all-in-one jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it, catsuit, jumpsuit, all black. And I think I got this. I don't know, they sell them everywhere, y'all. They got them at Fashion Nova, but I think I might have got this from Rainbow a long time ago, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe Fashion Nova, I don't remember. Because I had this one in the red one forever. Then I just put on these little slides. Don't ask me where these slides from. I think they were from Walmart a long time ago. I got my anklet on. I got my little bracelet I bought myself for Valentine's Day. Hold on. I would say this is almost like a Cartier dupe. Let me see if it'll focus. It's real pretty, y'all. It's real pretty. I don't know how to make it focus, but that's my bracelet. I want to try to get one of my other necklaces that a friend of mine gave me a couple Valentine's Day ago. Fixed, so I might do that afterwards because we pressed for time. And so yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Kind of got this oversized sweater to offset, you know, the sexiness. But yeah. Oh yeah, I wanted to show y'all. Look, y'all remember that light I showed y'all from my last video, the Amazon light, and I said, dang, that's how tall it gets. It gets taller. It took my daughter to come in here and say, Mama, it should go taller than that. So yeah, I'm using that light. It is giving me more lighting in here. So oh yeah, and I'm finna put on some perfume. Y'all know I am a sucker for saving coins, so I am finna put on some of this. Nope, wrong kind. This is I'm finna put on some those here though. This Amber Sapphire. This is the dupe for Baccarat Rules 540. But I am gonna put on this my favorite, the Florento Almond by Dossier, and that's the dupe for Good Girl. You know the perfume that come in the high heel. Oh, this smells so good. Smell really good. And so that's the scent that I'm wearing. I need to get me some more Dossier perfumes. And I think we need to be out the door because I'm always the reason we late. So, okay, y'all. So we finally found somewhere to park, and we have to walk a little bit because there's no parking over here by the place. So we walking down. We're finna be walking down Greenville Avenue. Yesterday over here. Oh, there you go, right there on the corner. We going to that place right there. It's called Halifax. Here go my sister, y'all. Oh, Lord. Y'all, we gotta cross on this lines.
Oh, for sure, though.
Oh, this ain't no stop sign. They letting us go. Come on. Ooh, it's her blowing my face. Let my hand go, see. Okay, so hopefully it ain't no wait. When I called, they said we don't need no reservations. So I'm ready to sit down. No issues. I ain't had no reservations. So, ready to have me a drink. Waffles, chicken, all it. Okay, y'all. So we just are waiting. I tried to call in reservations, but I guess it was different from the wait list. So we waiting, and this little girl did not bring her jacket, so I'm sharing my oversized grandpa sweater with her. We hungry. Okay, so we finally in. We finna sit down and eat. Alright, let's see what they have on their brunch menu. You too big to hold my hand, see? Why you don't want to hold my hand then?
Because when I don't get my mouth.
What you laughing at? Okay, y'all, so we just left. It was, if I had to rate it, it wasn't the best brunch spot I had. It was okay. So I would say, what they had?
Yeah, I don't know.
It wasn't no 10 out of 10. It had to be, it was a 6 out of 10. I'm gonna have to take my kids to a couple more brunch spots so they can see it's way better places. So
It was all right. The music was really loud.
but you know,
And their like Wi-Fi thingies wasn't that good.
so like but I was telling them, you know, different places is different vibes. So everywhere is different, it's the experience. So let us get across the street. I'll check back in with y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, so hold on. I might need to make me a drink. Okay, y'all. So I left my sister at over there with the family a while ago, and me and my friend finna eat as usual. We came out to eat to this Mexican restaurant, so I'm probably finna end the vlog here. I'm gonna show y'all what we eat,